Can we talk about how stressful work rules in the US are for international students? It is so confusing and nobody gives the right information. But your girl right here is gonna teach you everything you need to know about work authorization. Let's get started. So welcome back to my channel. And before I get into today's video, I just want to wish a very warm and heartfelt Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there. Thank you for all the love and support you have given us. And अगर आपकी मम्मी आपके आसपास है तो जल्दी से जाके उनको एक जादू की छप्पी दे दो, okay? So basically, if you are on F1 visa, you can work legally up to 20 hours a week in your college campus. Yes, आप अपने कॉलेज के बाहर काम नहीं कर सकते हो, आपको अपने कैंपस के अंदर ही काम करना पड़ेगा. Now कैंपस के अंदर आप स्टूडेंट असिस्टेंट का काम कर सकते हो, लाइब्रेरी में काम कर सकते हो, डाइनिंग हॉल्स में काम कर सकते हो, ट्यूटरिंग कर सकते हो, and there are so many different options. Just go to your college website, the career website, and you can find all the job listings there. A little advice I would like to give is if you are working on campus, don't work in libraries or dining halls because वहाँ से आप कुछ ऐसा सीख नहीं रहे हो. Try to work as a student assistant in an actual position. So example for me, I have worked in marketing for over 3 years and I have a lot of knowledge about that field. So when you're putting these things on your resume, it looks good. This is the time when you're building your skills and when you're networking. So make sure that whatever you're putting yourself into, the time, the effort, you are getting something from there. Okay? So always make the right decision. Now comes if you can work outside your campus, and the answer is yes, you can legally work outside your campus for 20 hours a week. That is if you're using your CPT, which is Curriculum Practical Training. Now for CPT authorization, you need to work with someone who handles international student, mainly a DSO. They will give you your authorization. And आप CPT में कहाँ काम कर सकते हो? Now this is very important. You cannot just randomly go and start working anywhere. आप Walmart में जाके काम नहीं कर सकते. No. Whatever is your field of study, example अगर आपका major is management, you can only work in the management field. You cannot go and start working in a tech field because there is no link between them. Okay, now comes the third part. You can work full-time on CPT also in the summer session and winter session, and if you are doing that, उससे आपके OPT को कोई problem नहीं होगा. Example for me, I am going to work 40 hours. 20 hours in my college campus and 20 hours in CPT in a business management firm. My major is management and finance, so I can work in any department. Okay, so you need to just play around and just talk to your DSO and know what your options are. Honestly, the CPT and OPT वाली जो talk है ना, it is very in depth and detailed. So I'll make a separate video on both these topics. So उससे भी आपकी confusion एकदम दूर हो जाएगी. And finally, OPT, which is your optional practical training, which you do after you graduate. So once you are done with your graduation, you get 1 year to work on your OPT in the field of your study. And for me, I think that the smart way to put it is because OPT में people do internships and all those things. But if you use your CPT in your summer program or your winter session, right? तो बहुत ज़्यादा आपका resume strong build-up होता है because you're improving your skills and recruiters want to see that you have done something in the past. And since the job market is so trash right now, I think the smartest way to put it through is work on your CPT. If you want to, go and talk to your DSOs. They are always there to help you out. Okay? See, being an international student, there's a lot on our plates, right? There's visa stress and work stress and classes and career का इतना pressure होता है, and especially with all the ongoing things right now with the immigration. But enjoy this phase of life and it will get better. Nothing is that difficult. Everything is simple. And if you guys want more videos about internships, campus jobs, interviews or any other concerns, do let me know. And that's about today. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना, बट उससे पहले सब्सक्राइब करके जाना. Take care. Bye bye.